Did you know there's a simple daily drink that can work almost like a natural energy booster for men without needing coffee, energy drinks, or expensive supplements? Welcome back to my channel, the place where everyday facts turn into life changing discoveries. Today I'm revealing a daily drink that can instantly boost male energy, and it's backed by science. Stick around till the end because some of the benefits of this drink are things most men have never heard of before. Let's cut straight to the chase. The drink is beetroot juice. Now I know what you're thinking. Beetroot? That boring red vegetable? But here's the fascinating part. This humble root has been nicknamed nature's energy booster and even the natural pre-workout. Here's the science. Beetroot is rich in dietary nitrates, and when you drink it, your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide. Sounds technical? Here's the simple version. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, improves the circulation, and helps your muscles. And yes, even other parts of your body get more oxygen. Better oxygen means more stamina, more energy, and for many men, better overall performance. In fact, several studies have shown that men who drank beetroot juice before exercise lasted longer, pushed harder, and felt less exhausted. Think about it. What if you could naturally get the stamina of someone 10 years younger without touching an energy drink? Sounds like a life hack, right? But here's something that will surprise you. Beetroot juice doesn't just boost physical energy, it can also sharpen your mind. Why? Because improved blood flow means your brain gets more oxygen too. That translates into better focus, quicker decision making, and less mental fatigue. So, next time you're at work or pulling an all nighter instead of coffee, imagine sipping beet juice and powering through with laser focus. Here's a fact most people don't know: beetroot juice also lowers blood pressure and reduces inflammation. That means while it's giving you energy, it's also quietly protecting your heart. It's like upgrading your engine while strengthening the foundation at the same time. Now, here's the kicker: professional athletes have been using beetroot juice for years. Marathon runners, cyclists, even football players. And get this, they don't take it for the sugar rush, they take it because beet juice helps the body use oxygen more efficiently. That's why it feels like a clean, sustained energy, not the crash you get from coffee or energy drinks. Imagine outlasting your competition, not because you trained harder, but because you had a smarter fuel. And here's the best part: you don't need a fancy nutrition plan or expensive supplement subscription. A glass of beetroot juice costs less than a cup of coffee at your local cafe. So the question is, why aren't more men drinking it daily? Now, let me drop one more fact that might blow your mind. Some researchers suggest that regular beetroot consumption can improve endurance so much it feels like your body is working with extra horsepower. Sounds almost unfair, right? Like nature slipped in a secret cheat code for energy. So let's recap what makes beetroot juice the ultimate daily drink for men: boosts stamina and endurance, improves blood flow and oxygen delivery, enhances focus and brain performance, protects your heart and reduces stress, gives clean, sustained energy, no crash, no jitters. So, now the big question: will you try adding beetroot juice to your daily routine? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. And hey, if you enjoyed learning this fact, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Because I've got more fascinating discoveries coming your way that might just change your daily life. Until next time, stay curious and stay energized.